Let's introduce you to Caleb. He's in the Caterpillar ThinkBIG program, which is available only at a handful of schools around the nation. This is just one of the unique programs offered at Owens Community College, and the hands-on learning opportunities are unmatched. Let's hear your story, Caleb.
Thanks for the introduction, Alex. From a young age, I've always enjoyed grabbing a wrench and tearing apart engines. This gave me an idea of what I wanted to do for a career. One of the reasons I chose Owens Community College is because it has a great partnership with the Caterpillar ThinkBIG program. It's one of 11 nationwide and the only one in the northeast of the US. ThinkBIG trains students to become heavy equipment technicians for Caterpillar. Learning how to work on newer equipment with electronics along with the mechanical side of working equipment is a great trade to learn. There's a lot of satisfaction watching a project work properly after I fix any problems. I have greatly enjoyed the hands-on portion along with the rest of our other classes. I have been very happy and satisfied with all I have learned so far. Hands-on learning at Owens allows me to actively put in use what I have learned and really helps me to retain all that I learned. The teachers have always been willing to help us with questions or one-on-one help when needed. All these things set us up for a successful career. After I graduate, I will have an associate's degree along with a full-time job as a Caterpillar technician at my branch. Knowing my future career uses the skills I have learned here makes it all that more fulfilling and fun. That's it from me. Back to you, Alex.
Caleb, thank you for introducing us to such a unique program that will have a great impact after you graduate. Owens recently hosted the Caterpillar ThinkBIG Global Conference with representatives, dealerships, and educators attending from all over the world. Thanks again, Caleb.